Hello and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Have you ever visited a website in a foreign language using Google Chrome and struggled to understand the content? Don't worry, you don't need to copy and paste the text into Google Translate. Google Chrome comes with a built-in translation feature that automatically converts entire websites into your preferred language, including English or your native language. In this guide, you'll learn how to translate full web pages on Google Chrome easily on both your phone and computer, without using any additional apps. And best of all, this feature is completely free. Open the Google Chrome app on your smartphone. Visit any website in a foreign language. Once the page loads, tap the three-dot menu at the top right corner. Choose Translate. Will appear pop-up, tap gear icon, and then choose More Languages. Now, you can select any language you want from the translation options. For example, I choose Japanese language, and that's it. Now, this website is already changing to Japanese quickly. If you want to change again, do the same thing as before. Tap the three-dot menu at the top right corner. Choose Translate. Will appear pop-up, tap gear icon, and then choose More Languages. Now, you can select any language you want from the translation options. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.